So I didn't have quite as flat a surface. I'm going to take a little bit of water, place that bezel on the sandpaper, and I'm going to take that again into a figure 8. Don't have to do a ton. And I can bring that down again, place that on there, check it. See if there's any light coming through. Ooh, that looks good. Check the other side and see if it's good. Oh, that's good too. So that one's ready to be soldered as well. I'm gonna take the large one, which I didn't sand before because it was the right height. So I'm only going a little bit to get that nice and flat in that figure 8. And let's place that on the plate. Let's check it. Nope, there's still a little bit of gap right there. And oh, so much better. Just a little bit more.